Hello, girls and boys. It's Mr. McAndrew with you again today to do the number 4. Yes, number 4. Love it. All right, so let's get started. 4 comes after 1. Let's do it on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Because we've been doing, first we did 1, then 2, then 3, and now today's 4. So here you can see the number 4. Sometimes 4 is drawn like this. You see, it's more like a little triangle right there. But the way I'm going to show, sometimes it looks like this. So these are the two ways that you might see the number 4. The way I'm going to show it today is like this. This is the way I do it. Okay, so let's do our game. Okay. All right, you ready? So we've got up 4 times. Do it with me, or pause the video and do it however you like. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good job. Let's see what our next card says. Dun, dun, dun. This one is the forehead. Okay, so we're going to touch our forehead 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this time I'm going to make up my own. I want you to tug on your ear 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That was silly. All right, how about we do a couple more? Let's do legs. Okay, let's stop our legs 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, nice job. What else can we do 4 times? Got another. Oh, this is a good one. Clapping. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, let's do this one. Have you been practicing your snapping? Right? Snapping. If you can't do it yet, that's okay. Just clap or do something else, okay? All right, so ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Okay. How about we do 4 jumping jacks? Ready? Stand up. Yep, stand up. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent job. There's a lot of things you can do 4 times, right? There's a lot of things you could count to 4. You could play a game with somebody at your house doing this. You could say, all right, give me a number and I'll do it that many number of times, right? Okay, so that reminds me, let's play our game. I'm either going to put down a 4 or a 3 or a 2 or a 1. And then I'm going to flip over a card and you have to do that number of things. Okay, so I'm going to shuffle the cards. You see me shuffling them. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Oops. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right. So I'll put the cards here. Put the numbers down here. Okay. All right, you ready? All right, so whatever we're going to do this 4 times. Okay, and it is forehead again. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this time it's going to be 2. 2 times. So what are we going to do 2 times? Let's turn the card over. What's it going to be? Oh, our chin. Okay, so I want you to do it before me, okay? Touch your chin 2 times. Go. All right, did you like this? 1, 2. Excellent. Let's do another one. This one is just 1 time. 1 time, it's a nod. Remember, a nod is when you go like this, you nod. Okay, ready? So show me 1 nod. Yep, 1 time, good. 1. And that's it. All right, 1 doesn't take very long, all right? Let's do this number. What number is that? Number 3. Yep. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. Let's flip it over. Oh, hair. Okay, so let's touch our hair 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. All right, let's do a couple more. This one is, what number is that? And it says legs. Can you do the legs 2 times? Show me how you would do that. Okay, you do it first. All right, did you go like 1, 2? All right, good job. And last one will be our number of the day, 4. So let's see. Oh, our nose. Ready? Don't pick it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's get to our packet. Yesterday we worked on the house, right? And we had the number of the day was 3. Did we ever write down the number 3? Oh my goodness gracious. Silly Mr. McAndrew. Let's write a 3 at the top of the house so we know that's our number. And we had, well, I had 3 chimneys. 1, 2, 3. And I had 3 people. 1, 2, 3. I had 3 windows. 1, 2, 3. And I had 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our next number we know is 4. So turn the paper over. Okay, it should look like this. And that word right there, boys and girls, says ocean. So these are little waves. Okay, so we're going to draw some things on the ocean. So let's write the number 4 up here. You start here, you come down, across, and then down. Okay, it's number 4. All right, so I'm going to draw, you can choose what you want. I'm going to draw 4 fish and 4 boats. Okay, so you can pause it if you want, or you can watch how I do it. All right, and you can work along with me, or you can wait to see what I do and then you can do it after. Okay, so I'm going to draw, the way I draw fish, remember, I'm not a very good artist, but I try. Okay, draw a little line and I come around and like this. So I call that a fish. All right, that's one fish. And I'll do another fish over here. I'm going to do this one, different color. I'll make this a yellow fish. Go like this. Put a fin on this one. That's 2 fish. I'll make this a purple fish. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so that's 3 fish. And I'll make one more fish. This one. Have you ever seen a green fish? I have not really, but why not? Alright, we'll make that 4 fish. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 fish. Alright. And I'm also going to draw some boats. I'm going to draw, how many boats am I going to draw? 4. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video now. I want you to work on this for a little while. You need to draw 4 things, okay? Alright. When you're done working on this, I want, let's say 4 objects of 2 different objects. So maybe 4 fish and 4 boats, or 4 sharks and 4 eels. Like, you need 4, okay? Alright. So come back in a minute. See you soon. Alright, so welcome back. So you can see I added 4 boats, right? Did you add 4 boats yet? Okay, if not, you want to make sure you do that, okay? Or 4 something. So I have, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 2 sailboats. 1, 2, 2 sailboats. And I have a canoe and a motorboat. That's the engine right there, in case you were wondering. You might also notice that in the canoe, I've got 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they each have an oar, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 oars. And there's 4 people in the motorboat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever been in a motorboat? They're really fun. If you haven't, I recommend it sometime if you can do it. Okay, so boys and girls, that is number 4 today. If you want to add 4 more of something else, you go for it. Have a great time. And just walk around your house, boys and girls. There's lots of objects you have around that you can count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how high you can go. Okay? All right. Great working with you and great job. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.